You can find him in the desert, you can find him by the sea. He'll climb a rocky mountain, he will nap under a tree. If you come along with Pops, it's about discovery. So let's hit the trail to see what we will see.
Hey grandchildren, it's Pops, and today the trail brings us to Glacier National Park. Glacier National Park is famous for a lot of things like bears, but also beautiful scenery, beautiful creeks and rivers and lakes, and right now we're at Avalanche Lake. We had to climb up 600 feet and 2 whole miles to get here, but what a fun lake. It's beautiful. It has waterfalls in the distance and big craggy rocks where bighorn sheep hang out. So you know what? Let's go explore. We're going to find out what it's like to be up here at Glacier National Park. Hey grandchildren, it's Pops. We're still here at Glacier National Park, and behind me is the most beautiful creek. It runs right next to the Trail of the Cedars, which is where we're at right now. A long, long trail of beautiful, tall, very old cedar trees that you can visit right here at the park. Let's go take a look at what this river does when it flows over rocks for millions of years. Hey grandchildren, I hope you enjoyed our tour of Glacier National Park. We learned a lot about what happens when water flows over rocks for millions of years, and we saw a very cool caterpillar. We'll see you next time on Pops on the Trail.
It's been fun on the trail. Thanks for